What are the best health and wellness techniques and tips needed for a long life? Maintaining good health and wellness is crucial for a long and fulfilling life. Here are some of the best health and wellness techniques and tips that can contribute to a longer and healthier life. Balanced diet. Eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity every week. Incorporate strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to allow your body to rest, repair, and recharge. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or mindfulness to manage stress and improve mental well-being. Social connections. Maintain strong social connections with friends and family, as a supportive social network is associated with better mental and physical health. Stay active mentally. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, reading, learning new skills, or pursuing hobbies. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider for preventive screenings, vaccinations, and health assessments. Healthy weight. Maintain a healthy weight through a combination of diet and exercise, as excess weight can increase the risk of chronic diseases. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. If you smoke, seek help to quit smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for many diseases. Consume alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether, as excessive alcohol can have detrimental health effects. Sun protection. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by using sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and seeking shade when necessary. Hygiene and sanitation. Practice good hygiene, including regular hand washing, to prevent the spread of infections. Vaccinations. Stay up to date with vaccinations to protect against preventable diseases. Positive outlook. Maintain a positive outlook on life and practice gratitude. A positive mindset can have a significant impact on overall well-being. Community and purpose. Engage in activities that give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment, whether through work, volunteering, or hobbies. Safety precautions. Take safety precautions in your daily life, such as wearing seatbelts, using helmets when necessary, and following safety guidelines at home and work. Limit exposure to toxins. Minimize exposure to environmental toxins, such as air pollution and chemicals, whenever possible. Regular health screenings. Follow recommended health screenings for conditions like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease, as early detection can lead to better outcomes. Remember that individual health needs and goals can vary, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and recommendations based on your specific circumstances and medical history. Making these health and wellness practices a part of your daily routine can significantly contribute to a long and healthy life.